Goodwill. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Caesar. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Uh, Basically, I haven't put out a video in about, I don't know, almost a week. We've been in the middle of a tundra. I mean, it snowed, it then it iced over, and then it melted, and then it iced over again. So now we are finally towards the end. So we haven't been able to work in terms of like roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, stuff like that. So I thought I would try to get out today and try to give you guys a at least a flipper video. You guys, if you guys know, I do eBay as well. So let me show you what I got today. I felt like I just wanted to get out of the house, so I may have made some bad decisions. But we'll see. So I got all these Starbucks cups. They're like the little holiday, just plastic cups. I'll show the comps to all these in the videos, but I figured I just put those like in a 3-cup pack or something instead of trying to sell them individually, just so I can get rid of it. I got a coffee cup desk warmer. I got sunglasses or, eyeglasses case from Anne Klein. I got this audiobook for $1. I looked at the comps while I was at the thrift store, and they were going for $6-7. So I figured for $1, just to get, in the eBay, I guess, algorithm, I would pick up a few and get some listings in. Same thing, comps for this were around the $5-6 range. So at $1, after fees, so you're looking at like $1 in cost, $1 in fees. Assuming this is probably going to be like around $4 in shipping. I'll probably only make, if anything, around $2 on this, which is good. But again, I just want listings right now. Same thing for this one. This one's probably not going to sell. I did see a comp for $5, $6, offering free shipping though. So we'll see what happens. This, I did buy this, but that's because I was lazy, for $1, just to carry all this. So all this, including that, was $17. So in terms of listing things, I'm in it for $16. You can see these are recently sold comps. Sold January 17th, so that's 3 days ago, for $6.99 plus $6 shipping. Sold November 16th, 2023, so about a month ago, for $8.99 plus $6 shipping. All right. So the comps here, so you see this one was brand new, and they did it on an auction, and they just accepted whatever they got. So that was 99 cents or $1. This one, so that was sold about 5 days ago. This one was sold 10 days ago, or 10, 15 days ago now, for $14.99 pre-owned, plus a free DVD. So where ours is used, and we don't have a free DVD. Here's another one, brand new for $9. Here's another pre-owned one, just like ours, for $6, free shipping. When was this? December 22nd. So they're all within the last couple months, which is great for us. That means people are buying them. See this one? This one was another auction for $250. Brand new for $10. Brand new for $385. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably just going to end up putting it for like $4.99. And then if it doesn't move, well, then I'll just put it on auction as well. And then as long as I get my $1 back, Like I said, I'll just keep it on there as a listing to help me with my eBay algorithm, so it sees that I'm consistently putting up listings. I knew that one wasn't probably going to be a good one, and you guys can tell it's not. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is the audiobook, The Deathlands. You can see here, pre-owned, $5 plus shipping. That was last sold December 24th, December 10th, January 13th. So that was a few days ago. That was 2 months ago. Oh, not that one. So these are just more of that same one, but this is the one we have right here. So $4.99, sold a couple days ago, or about a month ago. We will price ours slightly above this as we don't have much competition. Again, I will put a best buy or a best offer. So if we even get this, that'll be a profit of $4. We bought ours for $1. It won't charge us this much for shipping since we'll be shipping media, since this is technically media. So we'll get it for cheaper. So hopefully that goes through. The next one was the Vintage Cat in a Hat. So this is the only one that I've found. So sold December 27th. This is brand new sealed for $12 on auction. This is the only one that I've seen with our case. So this one says 1989. I tried plugging that in. I didn't find much. The other one that I found was in this lot here. So this was here. They sold their lot for $25. This one says vintage. So, and then this other one here, they sold as a lot as well for 3 VHS for $12.99. Again, they're saying rare VHS out of print. So these words are giving me vintage, out of print, rare, that's sold January 9th, January 6th. So people are buying these. So again, I'm just going to put mine for like $4.99, given that it's, so if you go, whatever, the other one was half of that other, this one right here. So $12, half of this, $6, but there's this brand new sealed, which holds a lot more value. And then the lot here's 25. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that, so yeah, so it's around $5. That's what I would say, around $5. That's good for that one. The next one is the Starbucks coffee cups. So I'm correct in trying to sell them by the pack. So this is a pack of 6. They sold theirs for $17. Last sold January 18th. This is a solo cup for $1. See, I'd rather sell in a lot and get more money than a single for $1. They sold theirs for $1, it looks like. Oh, brand new. It's last sold January 11th. Again, $1. They have 25 count, $40. 6-pack, $18. Oh, well, they got a good deal. They got $3.50 for a cup, $7 for 2 cups. Yeah, so I'm just gonna place mine at $10 for 3 cups. So I think that's pretty fair. 2 cups for $8. Last sold December 24th. Yeah, so these are selling fast, guys. So that will go good. And then we got the coffee cup warmer. So you can see these are all just recent sales. November 7th, October 26th, October 28th. So they're not really fast movers, but that's okay. We will price it again. We're gonna throw it on there for a good $5.99, $6.99, $7.99, $4.99, whatever the comp is. So the exact ones that I have, I can't find here, but if you see, these are $11.99, $7.99, $13, $5.99, $3.99. So they're all over the place. But if I go and show you the exact one I have, it's this one right here. That one's at $8.50 and $17.99. So I'm gonna put mine right in between both. No, see, I think I'll sell it if I put it like at, I don't know. I will maybe put it at probably put it at around $10, and then put best offer. And then if someone shoots me anything close to that, here's another one for 12. If anyone shoots me anything, I will take it. Next video, some of this stuff might be getting packaged, but if you do enjoy any of this flipping video content more than like the exterior cleaning stuff, let me know. I will make more of this type of videos, and like, comment, and subscribe.